Alright, so this is the lens as they are. And I don't have much time before the show tomorrow, so this is just how I'm going to have to send it. This one's still taped up because I had to redo the tape on the edge, and it's not perfect. And I'm out of time. I'm going to my buddy Anthony's house because we're going to go finish wrapping my car at his house in his garage. And we're probably going to pull an all-nighter. And yeah, I'm just trying to get my car ready for Nissanfest. Hopefully I can get it good enough to at least be a contender. At least want to get like second place or something, you know. I have a specific class, Best 300 ZX. And yeah, hopefully I can do well. Yeah, there's a ton of air bubbles in my wrap. This is my good friend Anthony. He has allowed me to use his garage. It's real nice, and his like gazebo thing, so we can get this wrap done. But right now, they're trying to fix all the bubbles that are on my hood because
someone doesn't listen.
Yeah, we didn't listen. We didn't take enough time because we were rushing. But that's okay. We'll fix it. Alright guys, so basically we're like 70% done right now. We still have to do the front bumper and this side of the car. But my battery is literally flashing red right now, and no one knows even if I'm going to be able to finish this sentence. But I'm going to let you guys know that we will be working hard, and we'll see you at Nissanfest tomorrow.
You understand,